Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Just a quick video in honor of Earth Day that we just had about what we can do. I love upcycling, recycling projects. I'll have a playlist down below of some other ones that I've already done, and I will definitely be doing more, so make sure to subscribe. But for today, I'm going to show you what we can do with this. This isn't something that you can just put in the recycle bin, so I wanted to think of some ideas about what we can do to reuse this material.
So I have been saving these bags for a little while. As you can tell, I tend to like my mandarin oranges. There's also an avocado bag in here as well, but it does depend on the brand how the netting is attached to the bag. So some of these I found were more useful in being able to salvage the material than others. So that's something to maybe consider if you don't really care about brands. But you're going to go ahead and snip it off as close to the plastic as possible. Honestly, I don't know that there's anything you can do to salvage the rest of it, like the plastic. If you can think of any ideas, feel free to comment down below. And you'll want to make sure to take all these little confetti and make sure to kind of shake them off and throw them in the trash. You do not want those going down the drain because it's that kind of microplastic that fish confuses food and eat, and it's not healthy and it goes up the food chain and all that good stuff. So anyway, just take them apart, salvage as much of the netting as possible, and I'll show you some ideas. So the first one here, we're going to take and cut it and take a crochet hook. I am not a big crocheter, but you just do a simple stitch, and then I'm doing it kind of in a spiral to make a circle and tying a knot to make it all one strand as needed. It is certainly not the prettiest thing, but I take my little loose ends, kind of tie them together. And again, making sure all of the little plastic confetti is off of there, because this one is going to go in the sink. It's going to be a little dish scrubby, or you could use it like as an exfoliator in the shower. I mean, it's a little thing. It's nothing too special, but you know what? It's going to get some good use. Give it a second life. The second thing is simple but fun. You can take makeup or paint and do kind of a little mermaid design. Next one, this smaller mesh one I think was probably from like cheese or something, I don't know, but you can use this for soap, and I've actually been using this for a few days and really love it. It's a good way for those little ends, and again, you can use it not only to save the little ends of soap, but as an exfoliator because it's nice and scratchy. You'll just use a simple rubber band, and it does get a really nice lather pretty easily. So this might be my favorite one, or maybe most used one. And last, I know you could do it probably a lot classier than what I'm doing here, but this is just a basic demonstration. I thought that, you know, it looks pretty cool, and it's not super scratchy. It's actually pretty soft, so decided to make a little accessory here. And again, you could definitely kind of make the ends nicer. There's a lot of different ways that I'm sure you can do that. I do enjoy making jewelry, so, you know, there's ways. But it's just an idea.
So let me know down in the comments below, what did you think of these ideas? If you have any others to add to it, feel free to comment, and give me a thumbs up if you like the planet and want to do good things. I don't know what I'm saying, but I appreciate you guys subscribing, joining, sharing, all that great stuff, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you around next time.